Dumelang.
Good evening. Oh, welcome back, my brother.
Yes, my brother.
You're back.
Bum, 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 bum. No weapon formed against us shall prosper.
None.
Pyramid Group Funerals, Mo4 von Villach Street, Rustenburg. Soon to be on Street in
Yes.
Rustenburg. Laugh Boy Building.
SMS Pyramid to 41237. Proper consortia. Yes, Yes, exactly, my boy.
For us at Pyramid Group Funerals, it's not just about the funeral. It's about building a relationship of trust from the very first day.
Exactly. Yes, and we will come.
It's a penika, bagaetsi. It's a penika. That means Omodi area C. So we're just a one-stop shop. Wakolotanyana, wabona.
The moment we've been waiting for. When we are on the road to 30,000 active policies by December 2025. Pyramid is here. No family walks alone when they have lost a loved one. You deserve a round of applause.
You were supposed to be SMSing by now.
Very easy, very simple, very affordable. If it's not green,
If it's not green, it's not us.
it's not us.
And if it's
And
not
it's-
us, then it's not you.
It's not. Alright.
If you are a member
Yeah.
of this beautiful consortium,
Yes.
thank you.
www.pyramidgroupfunerals.co.za. We are always ready to walk this journey with you with compassion, care, and clarity.
We just surpassed the 20,000 mark.
My brother.
Kena Perfect Lungwane, better known on stage as the Perfect MC. Kere Koluna Aine Boroko.
Thank you very much. Good night and God bless.
Famedi a gole e golele setšhaba.
There's no way you can end us. So,
Baretsi go gae, dumelang.
good evening.
Hey.
Oh, welcome back, my brother.
Yes, my brother.
You're
Here's my
back.
brother. I'm back, man.
Ah, man, I'm glad to see you.
I miss
glad to see
the
you.
pyramid loungers.
And the
Yeah.
serious.
Hey.
Hey, my brother.
Le nna be ke le gopotse bagaetsi wa itse.
Yes.
Hey, I missed you.
Ah,
Well,
definitely, yeah.
you know me. I'm your host, Perfect Lungwane. I get some like one bagaetsi la itse.
Treasure Dlamini.
Pom.
My brother.
How are you, my brother?
We're gonna have a jam-packed show today.
Yeah,
Jam-packed. And we have a lot to talk about.
Definitely,
We
my
have a
brother.
lot to talk about. And we're launching something nice today. Something exciting. Yeah? And why you be like, it's really gonna be exciting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baretsi go gae, they must get their pens and papers ready.
Exactly. Exactly, my brother. It's gonna be hot.
No weapon formed against us shall prosper.
None. We are the green people.
Greener pasture.
We fight
Till the end.
till the end. But it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. We have a lot, guys. We have a lot today.
Yeah.
Obviously, we're gonna talk about how you join. I get why we always have to talk about
yes,
that, right?
yes, definitely.
But then there's something that we're gonna talk about happen today about claiming.
Yes.
Because a lot of people get confused behind claiming. Or how do you claim? What documents are required for claim? So we're gonna touch that a bit on that one. And then also some people are still confused. I don't know why. Bagolo, we are here today. We're gonna explain to you what exactly are you covered for.
Yes,
That one.
definitely.
Exactly,
my
exactly.
brother. Definitely.
And then also how premiums are handled if someone skips a month. Like now, some things happen, and then you have to catch up. So we're gonna talk a little bit about that, and then that one I'm gonna save it. The last one,
last
I
one.
touch.
The last
I'm not
one.
gonna touch it now. I'm gonna save it
Ke
because this one,
makutsumela. The last one ke
this one is
makutsumela, the last one.
exciting. And I care about neat. Yeah,
This one, if you create the crutches, we are go wheelchair, no, yeah.
same time. Same
Wheelchair,
time.
same
How about
time.
many more? Hey. Cause
Baretsi go high.
Yeah.
It's good to be back. It's good to be back. You are launched into Pyramid Lounge, giving you nothing but the best of Pyramid and anything and everything that you need to know. Ka Pyramid Group Funerals, Mo4 von Villach Street, Rustenburg. Soon to be on Street in
Yes,
Rustenburg.
yes, yes.
Ha! 160 President Mbeki, you know, the
Yes.
former president. Yeah, former.
Yes.
160.
Yeah.
Yes.
The main building.
The main building.
The main building.
Love Boy building.
Yeah. Building Emanate.
But it's go high. That's how much serious we take you.
Yes.
We're saying let's get a proper big building for you guys.
Exactly.
Man. My brother. Let's dive in.
Yes.
dive in.
So, one topic that I wanted us to touch on.
Yes.
Remember now, we need to understand how does one join. Yes. We need to understand, and we're always talking about this. It's very, very simple, guys, and we're gonna reiterate it today again. SMS pyramid to 41237. It's very simple. Grab your phone right now. Are Bagolo? All of us, let's go to the messages.
Yes.
Message.
Area 2.
I'm gonna take it step by step, and then over 2 utsenga number 41237. Repeat after me. 41237. Exactly. And then wa file ke mo message wa romela mang wa go klikele message file over pyramid. Pyramid was sent. Done and dusted. And either a very nice voice. It's gonna call you and take you through the entire policy. I'll explain how are things done. Like you wanna go pyramid, it's clean, manje clean always. So even like a voice at the this one, serious, they know what they're talking about. They work for a proper consortium. Yes, yes, exactly, my boy. Exact consortium.
Yes.
So it's either that or SMS a pyramid to 41237, or you can go to our website, www.pyramidgroupfunerals.co.za. I'm going to repeat that again. So you get pyramidgroupfunerals.co.za. Very, very simple. Our branches, visit any of our branches. We have branches everywhere.
It's endless. Yesterday we had a meeting with this other guy. He says it's an Indian guy. He says, you know, every 5 or 6 cars that I pass of companies,
yes,
I always pass a pyramid car. Whether I'm going to my Fikeng there by my house, or I'm just around here in Rustenburg, I'm always seeing a pyramid car.
And that is correct. That is correct.
I'm like, man.
That shows to you the footprint.
That shows how well vested we are in Rustenburg.
We are everywhere. There's no way you can't find us. There's no way you can find us. So there's a lot of ways. Even find our trusted field agents. You can find them anywhere in town.
Yes.
Same time. Voila, you have a policy.
I mean, there's no excuse, man.
There's no excuse. Like, come on.
There's no excuse.
Nowadays, okay, which policy do you have?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get serious.
Yo. We're like, ish.
Pyramid.
Oh, Modimo.
You're a pyramid. Come on, you can't go wrong.
Modimo, how seralates, man. One day, or a Lena ke batla join Pyramid Group Funerals.
And we're gonna open our arms. We will come join the family. We are all one. We are all one, my brother.
I think the last one, the boom one. It's what's gonna make people join.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. And I'm telling you. You see that one? That one is big. So, you know, let me just take you quickly on a step by step of what exactly happens behind the scenes. So obviously, one, you're gonna join with us, and then we're gonna accept the application and all that stuff. And then you're gonna get a welcome pack. That's number one. Welcome pack. It has your certificate, policy number, everything that you need to know about your policy, right? You're gonna have clear communication throughout. You can get in touch with us via Facebook, Twitter, everywhere. We are everywhere. And immediately you're going to have peace of mind. It's kind of the most important thing, to have peace of mind. You don't want to take a policy, next thing we put on you don't want that. Exactly. And guess what? Premium.
And funny enough,
Premium.
ba bangwe ba re ba kena ba o kopa certificate.
Hey.
Ba bangwe ba be ba tswala ibuka.
Exactly. Last but not least, you're gonna get proper ongoing support.
Yes,
Ongoing
yes,
support
yes, yes,
24/7. We're launching our call center soon. So it means with the call center, you'll be able to call at any time.
Yeah.
At any time, can call, inquire, ask anything about your policy, do updates, whatever that you want to do. Right there, more.
Come on, because for us at Pyramid Group Funerals, it's not just about the funeral. It's about building a relationship of trust from the very first day.
Exactly.
I want this relationship.
This thing. This one.
Man.
This one.
Hey, my brother.
Meneer.
Ke utlwa lerato.
Yes.
Ke bofuthu ba
La
pyramid.
pyramid.
Come on. Come on.
Meneer.
Yes, sir.
a re dlale mo.
No,
We're not here to play.
we don't have time for games.
No,
here.
we're not here to play, my
we don't
brother.
have time for
Yeah,
games, man.
we're here to give service, to provide dignity
Proper.
to our own people.
Proper
Tlo ba bontsha gore no, even you can have it.
Yeah.
It does not have class.
Yeah.
It does not have a hierarchy.
Oh, no,
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 this
no,
one,
lata
this,
kwa.
this one, this. No, everyone.
Re lata kwa ba re mtlhaba wa teng o shibilwe.
Yes, and
Re
we will
lata
come.
ko teng ka di-BM tsa di-black.
Yes,
Ah,
everyone. Everyone. We treat our people the same
Yeah.
with proper dignity and respect.
No, definitely. my
And it's just
brother.
like that. And that's how that's our business model.
Yeah.
Ba bantsi ba ntse ba ipotsa gore, yo, pyramid e etsa yang? Treat your customers with respect.
And
Keo,
ba tlabe ba re
klar.
re ba fe di-tip. Ra ba tipa no yana.
Ke for tipi keo.
Ra ba tipa no yana.
TCF.
Yeah.
Treat your customer fairly. Ke feditse. If no other tip about how you do it, there's the tip, klar.
Yeah.
TCF, nothing else. Nothing else. Nothing else.
My brother,
Yes, meneer.
people are asking, man,
Mm.
what documents are needed to join, to claim, man?
And people always ask this. Man. So we said, you know what, today we're going to talk a bit about it. No, guys, these are the documents exactly. What do you need? This is essential.
Yeah.
BI.
1663.
BI, my brother. Very, very, very important.
Very
Go on, talk more.
Yeah.
A certified copy of the death certificate.
Yeah.
A completed claim form, which we will obviously provide to you,
Yes,
and then you'll fill it out there.
Yes,
The deceased ID, the beneficiary's ID, and obviously proof of banking details.
Yeah.
That's it.
So just emphasis on the beneficiary's ID and the deceased ID. Ne? It must be certified.
Yes.
Yeah, please.
It has
please,
to
please.
be. It has to
Because
be.
when you get to the office now, I certify you, and then now it's man. It's
Yeah,
another
so
struggle
to
go
avoid the
again.
up and down
Yes.
and all that, like, let's just make sure Utlakayon is certified and no issues around it. Then you're gonna have a smooth sailing process. Yeah.
Because we know that paperwork can be very overwhelming. That's why our very, very, very dedicated team takes you through the process and collects and submits all your documents that are required. So no one is left behind this process, man.
Exactly.
It's a smooth and
Smooth process. It doesn't
smooth
even
sailing
require
process, man.
the up and down or anything like that.
Yes.
Very easy. Very smooth.
number one. So now, ke joinile ne?
Yes.
After ke fetsa o join, ka re ka
Yeah.
tlhaloganya gore
Ka ga ba
ke tla
tlhaloganya, ne?
wa bona?
Yeah.
So re tsaya.
So first thing first.
Yes.
Nna ke tshepa my marketing people.
Ne.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nna ke tshepa my marketing people. One,
Well trained.
well trained.
Yes.
One, they're very well trained. You will definitely know what you're covered for.
Yes,
Right? You will definitely know gore o tsamaya ka eng.
Yes.
Right? So, but just to reiterate that,
Yes.
so remember on our side, we have different types of policies, right?
Definitely.
We have the 150 policies, which covers 7 people, and we have a 300 Rand policy that basically covers 14 people.
Yes.
If you want to do an additional benefit more, with the 150, you just added 65 Rand, and then at 300, you add 130 Rand. Right? So,
Kare, how? Umaka wena.
guys, be very affordable.
Yeah.
There's no one in the market
Imagine,
offering this.
ka
There's no
150
one.
nyana,
150.
Ka triklipanyana.
Exactly.
No matsatsi a ba re ba re 300 jacket, ba re 3 jacket.
Ba reng jacket.
Hey, ba ibetsa di jacket tšhelete e matsatsi a.
What the heck? Hey, you want a 3 jacket? It's fine.
Ah, 3 jacket.
Exactly that right. So obviously now, what are we gonna do for you? One, we're gonna give you a full funeral service. What is a funeral service? We're gonna give you a hearse and 2 family family
cars,
cars.
yes,
What-
yes, yes.
Obviously, we're gonna do the graveside deco, yeah, on a pyramid. You know us. We do nice things there.
Brilliant
What-
one.
Yeah, we're gonna assist you. We're gonna assist you with all the administration work, meaning the paperwork that you're gonna go through. We'll gladly assist on that one. And then obviously, if you had groceries as well,
Yeah.
we'll assist you or groceries how. And yeah, guys, it's very simple. You're gonna get programs, say 50. What Jaratim will give you a tent for 40 chairs and two tables as well.
yes.
Yeah. Very
Imagine.
easy.
Man.
Very easy, very simple, very affordable. There's no one on the market providing this.
Yes.
That's simple as that.
Yes.
Ayo. We're providing a premium service at a very, very affordable price.
So, one thing that I'd like to stretch out is we
Yeah.
don't want inconveniences on when you meet such a circumstance to say someone on your policy dies or they pass
Yeah.
away. Now you have to be popping out money for the tent there for it's extra cash there, extra cash there, extra grocery there and stuff like that.
None.
So we're just a one-stop shop.
One-stop shop, my brother. One-stop
my
shop.
brother.
Whatever that you want. Last time we told you, if you want a helicopter, we tla go krela helicopter. We'll get you a helicopter.
I tell you.
Ufuna brass band. Sizothola ne brass band.
Sizokuthola, because
Yeah.
umsebenzi
Wena
wethu kushaya
we
isibhamu.
will give you what you signed up for.
Yeah.
Wabona. But then if you feel like, no, you know what, I want to supplement it with this and this and that and this
Yeah.
and this and that. We are there. Pyramid. You don't even need to go to any other company. You don't even need to step out immediately, fella, in the arrangement office. Wa re ke go bona man. Ke batla 1 2 3 4 5. Ke batla 1 2 3 4 5. How can I get it? Easy. It's here at Pyramid. We have everything. Yeah. We have everything. You don't need to worry.
Imagine you walk in just one consortium. You
Yes.
get everything.
Everything.
Everything's sorted out for you.
Exactly.
Monna, what a convenience.
Exactly,
It's
my brother.
luxury.
And that's what we want to give to our clients.
Yes.
Convenience. Yeah.
My brother. shout out to Pyramid Group Funerals, man.
My brother.
no.
So now, there's always a question around what happens if you skip a premium.
Yes,
I don't know if you
yes.
want to take through Baritsi Baron on that. Like, what exactly happens? So, does
Yeah.
it mean my policy elapses immediately just like that?
Yeah. So we know life happens and sometimes people miss a payment. So what if now you skip a payment
Yeah.
for a month? So at Pyramid, we understand that tough times come. If a
Yeah.
premium is missed, your policy does not immediately lapse.
Exactly.
Lesa penika bagaetsi. Lesa penika. That means umodi area C. What we
Yes.
call in umodi area C.
Yes.
Wa kolota nyana wa bona. O santse o sa koloti thata.
Yeah.
O santse o kolota nyana.
Because
Eh,
you
ya
get into the
kgwedi e
deep
one.
waters. Yes, yes, yes.
So we offer you a grace period, and our friendly team will reach out to you and remind you, hey, that
looks like ga ya tsena pele debit order ele.
re bone sentle a re itse gore e kene go yang
Yeah.
a re tshwane le bale gore ba re karata e declineile.
No, we won't make noise.
No, we call you direct, we confirm with you. If it's your policy, we confirm the ID number, the names, just anyone kwetse mo policy ya gago, so
Yeah,
that
just to make sure that
we
we're
don't
speaking to the-
share, so
Yes.
that we don't share your information with someone else wa bona.
Exactly.
Imagine batho se ba itse gore wena o sidestepile fale wa bona.
Exactly.
So, but however, it is important to catch up as soon as possible to maintain continuous cover. If payment are not brought up to date, the policy may become inactive.
Yes.
So once inactive,
Yeah.
ra itse go gae
Yeah.
once but
Not tricking.
ba re ntwe a isa bereki a ise inactive.
Exactly.
That means I was
Mare, we give a fair chance. We give a fair chance.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
obviously the team will definitely call. Ba go bolela, no, you've skipped a month, you skipped 2 months. Okay, now the final team are like, hey, now you're in a bit of deep waters.
Yes,
Your policy has now lapsed.
Yes.
But now these are the ways in order for you to fix that policy. So it doesn't mean when it's lapsed like go fedile fela hello, goodbye, boom boom.
Yeah.
You now disappear. No. You can still pay up the areas, and then obviously now get back on track. Yeah.
Because bufutu ba pyramid bo botlhokwa.
Exactly.
My brother,
My
I
boy.
tell you.
Wait till one thing. Even last week I had Dimpo here on the show.
Yes,
Wabona.
yes.
And you were listening to some aftercare stuff.
Yeah,
Wabona,
man.
some aftercare.
Touching,
Exactly.
man. Touching.
Exactly. So now,
Touching.
before we get to those big news still, I think we need to touch on just one family
Yeah,
that we visited. I think we visited them It was yesterday.
Yeah.
Let's just touch what exactly do they have to say in terms of pyramid and exactly what is their perspective of pyramid?
Yeah. Tune in.
o ka rata ora pyramid e ra reng
Na bagolo a ke batlo bua maaka pyramid mo servicing yona e best and e thusa batho ba bantsi thata like all country wise. So thank you bagolo le ka joina pyramid ke tsela ke site sa mannete dota. All right, ke kabelo ko Meriti.
Yes.
Po, 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 po.
I mean, we deserve that.
My brother,
Amen.
my brother, the moment we've been waiting for.
Hi.
The moment we've been waiting for.
Aye.
Yeah?
Let me give it to you again.
The moment we've
Pom,
been
pom,
waiting
pom.
for. Po, po, po. My brother, guess what? We are on the road to 30,000 active policies by December 2025. Huh?
3000.
Hey, and today we just hit a milestone today as we speak right now. We are on 20,009 active policies. My brother, that deserves a round of applause, man.
Amen.
My guy.
If you are a member of Pyramid Group Funerals, you just know that we are celebrating 20,009 active policies.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yo, this is powerful, guys. This is powerful. So let me just repeat this. Maybe I'm good. We are officially on the road to 30,000 active policies. So now, what does this mean? It means, Jorge, we are saying that from now until December 2025,
Yes, sir.
our goal is to ensure that we cover and make sure that 30,000 families are protected and supported and covered under Pyramid Group Funerals, my brother.
I'm gonna tell me
Ah,
of any other
guys.
person. Tell me of any other person. Hey, moshari, hey, funeral cover, funeral what?
Exactly.
The undertaker. Hey, I
My brother.
30,000.
And almost like but why? Why do you want to go on that road?
man,
Why do you want
today's
to
a special day,
Ah,
man.
guys.
20,000.
20,000. Plus 9 rand on the side there. 20,009.
Yeah.
And why we saying why? But why put okay, why this road to 30,000? Because we believe every family deserves dignity,
Yeah.
peace of mind, and a helping hand in their time of need.
Yeah.
We are tired of these people but
we're fighting back
a
now.
mumbo jumbo type of whatever they're trying to do there.
No, we're fighting
Pyramid
back now.
is here. Yeah?
Yes.
It's not just about the numbers. It's not just about that. But it's about the people. It's about the communities. It's about to ensure that no family walks alone when they have lost a loved one. No. Kill.
So how
Ew.
can you be part of this journey, Bahaids? If you're there and you're listening and you're saying, what?
Yeah.
20,000
Yes.
and 9 people that are active on Pyramid.
Yes.
Amen. Come on.
Yes.
Amen.
And we are boldly saying by December 2025, we're going to add an additional 10,000.
I remember when we were gunning for 15,000.
Hey.
Hey, we saw it as a huge milestone. We
Yeah.
said, 15,000, man.
And we focused all our resources and everything on that one goal. We want these
And
families.
we never dropped the ball. We never dropped the ball.
Not once.
Man.
Not
What's
once,
the-
my brother.
what's
This is a
30,000?
celebration, my brother. This is our official launch to our road to 30,000 active policies. So now, if you are already a member, thank you so much. Help us grow. You deserve a round of applause. You deserve a round of applause.
Pom, pom, pom.
Thank you to all our loyal customers. Our customers, the pyramid will not be there.
Yeah.
If
Yes,
definitely.
definitely.
So we are
Yeah.
very, very thankful, and help us grow by referring your friends and family and your colleagues. So now, if you are not yet covered,
Hey, visit our website. Reach out to our agents. Walk into one of our branches. I mean, there's endless resources that you can use.
It's a lot.
Just to get in touch with us. You can just SMS Pyramid 241237.
Yeah.
I mean, that's like a given. You were supposed to be SMSing by now.
By now,
I don't know why
class.
you're still sitting.
By
If
now.
phone mo chargering, please give 5 seconds just to grow it. It's mo chargering. I want SMS because come on. By December
Yes.
2025,
Yes.
we will be. I
On
decree.
30,000 active.
Lisareka prophesy, but I'm telling you now.
We're saying it now.
Telling you
it's
now.
done.
Yeah.
And then now, if you're a business or a community leader, partner with us. Partner with us so that we can bring our services to your people. Remember now, as a community leader, these people who are community, they are yours. So partner with us, come on board, and let's make magic, guys.
What
Simple
kind of
as
a
that.
leader
Yeah.
that will go to bury their own people? Ba bona gore no, mara batho ba no, a se yona, man.
Yeah, so into
A se yona.
Yeah.
Imagine having a well-established business
Yeah.
and now you're burying your employees. God,
The color is in green.
Eish.
If it's not green,
If it's not green, it's not us.
it's not us.
And if it's
And
not us, then it's not.
It's not.
You know,
It's not right.
it's not right.
It's not right, my brother.
So make it right now.
Exactly. Make
Yeah.
it right.
Make
Come
it
on.
right.
Make it
Contact
right.
us, visit us
Exactly.
in any of our branch. Inquire about us.
Exactly.
Let us give you information.
My brother. So on this road, we're gonna have a lot of activities. We're gonna have a lot of activities. We'll be visiting malls. We'll be visiting communities, schools, a lot. It's gonna play out competitions. So guys, join us on this journey. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be jam packed. And you never know. Yeah, maybe here's a present.
Aye,
Yeah.
you know. But what's important is that 3 things.
Yeah.
One, if you are a member
Yeah.
of this beautiful consortium,
Yes.
thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Like we would not be on
We
20,000
wouldn't be there
if it was not for you.
if we have never came to you and buried your loved one.
Yeah.
If we've never reached out to you or you've reached out to us,
Yes.
we wouldn't be where we are.
Exactly.
So thank you so much.
Guys, we appreciate.
Thank you so much.
We
We appreciate you.
Yes.
We know there are people that are out there and will say, you know what, me, I'm going go patela go pyramid.
Yeah.
So the other person now will ask themselves and say, why you patela go pyramid? What is king pyramid?
Exactly.
And obviously it's the green and white colors.
It's the
but-
green and white
but,
colors.
I know it's the service.
Exactly.
It's the service that we provide.
Exactly, my
Yeah.
brother. Exactly,
So now
my
the
brother.
second one, if you're not covered,
Yes.
I mean, let's walk. Let's take this journey. Let's walk this walk with you. Come and join.
Yes.
If you're a business or a community member or a community leader, you know, I just want to say to you, do the right thing.
Do the right thing.
Do the right thing. If you're a community leader,
Well,
lead by example.
Interfelal.
If you're a businessman, business aliruna.
Exactly.
My
My brother, as I'm saying, it's gonna be jam packed. Together, we can reach all this milestone. Definitely,
definitely.
and more important, we can build a legacy of care and compassion across Northwest, across South Africa, and we're gonna walk this road, guys. And I'm telling you right now, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be active. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. 30,000 active policies by December 2025. It's happening. You know, today's episode, it was something.
Yeah.
It was something. A very powerful episode. Very powerful. And I'm hoping, as we stand here and we are talking more now, we have answered a lot of questions. I know by Retiko sometimes they might not know what they are covered for or how things are done. I'm hoping that today that we were able to secure peace of mind for you and your family.
Definitely.
So if you need any help, want to sign up, have questions, don't hesitate, guys. It's very easy. Go to our website, www.pyramidgroupfunerals.co.za. You can send us a WhatsApp anytime. Walk into any of our branches. We are always ready to walk this journey with you with compassion, care, and clarity.
Yeah. So hey, you know, today's episode is very impactful.
Very.
Because remember today we just surpassed the 20,000 mark.
My brother.
Man.
My brother. And I'm happy as we stand here gore ba re tse ba utlweletse wa bona. And even now they are rejoicing with us on this journey at 20,000, and I hope gore we do excellent service, my brother.
Yeah.
We just need to make sure we do everything excellent.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Yeah.
We make sure everything is done properly, everything is done excellently, and obviously, we always want to take comments from our customers. If we have done something wrong, we always come for feedback and say, you know what, how did we bury? Did we do anything wrong? Did we meet your expectations?
Yes.
And that's us. We don't run away from things. We don't run away and say, yo, no, we take responsibility. And that's why we are on 20,009 as of today. Simple as that.
So, before it's all, one last thing. Please be on the lookout if we are burying in your loved one as yard or rebuluka someone close to you or you are there. Just be on the lookout. We are implementing feedback forms.
Yes.
So that we create that feedback from Luna. How are we doing from the first call when you called us to say relate your loved one ko jarating hospital or anyway up until now re fetsa go mabitling batsoga ya go tlase le ka se le kena, then we are saying we're done up until now we come back to you again and we say years in aftercare ko lapeng. So please be on the lookout for a feedback from Lusa Makala gore bashimane ba tlile ga dipampiri go tsagalang. But before re tswala ke nagana re tla tswala ka voice note.
Yeah, just one last one.
Yeah, one of our listeners, you know, we always appreciate but if ba re utleletse ene ba romela le di voice note mo nambeng ya Radio Mafisa so that re kgone gore go di tshameka on air.
Exactly.
Me ba gaetso ke nna Perfect Hlongwane, better known on stage as the Perfect MC. Ke re kolonna a ene boroko.
Treasure Dlamini, thank you very much. Good night and God bless.
Ke Reini Molefe ke buisana ke le ka mo Rustenburg kwa Mereting extension 1. Ke kopa go ikemelela mo batho ba paramedic le motsamaisi wa teng, mme ke kopa go bua go ke fa letsoa la lona ba paramedic le tsa mmereko lona sentle. Modimo a le fe di-blessing bo ntate baka le tse mmereko le bolelle manager wa lona le tsa mmereko o kofang o le fuleng ke Modimo. So go boloka batho yalo le tlhagisa matsogo is the what to do, man. Ke re ka Setswana le ko mabitleng le gopola batho ka dipina tse le di dietsang ba lelapa ba ba latlhegetsweng thata le ba sireletse yalo bo ntate ba rona. I'm a leader Reini Molefe go tswa ko 12 kwa Mereting kwa station 1. Ke re le bolokeng batho sentle bo ntate baka. Paramedic a gole e golele setšhaba le motsamaisi wa lona o itshwereng. Ke re a Modimo a ba sireletse. Ke a leboga.